Ever notice how no matter how much more you earn, you still don't feel rich? It's like your paycheck grows, but your savings don't. Let's talk about why that happens and how to finally escape the never enough money trap. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down a strange truth about money: why earning more doesn't always make you feel wealthier. Even if you're not struggling, you might still feel like you're just surviving. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why that happens and how to fix it. So here's the problem. Most people assume that more income automatically means more happiness, freedom, and security. But it rarely works that way. You get a raise, you feel great for a week or two, and then somehow you're back to feeling broke again. Your new salary becomes your new normal. The excitement fades, but your spending quietly rises. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the main reason why so many people never feel rich, no matter how much they earn. Let's make it real. Imagine you start earning $3,000 a month. You live comfortably, but then you get a promotion. Now you make $5,000. Instead of saving the extra $2,000, you move to a nicer apartment, upgrade your phone, and start dining out more. Suddenly, $5,000 feels just as tight as $3,000 once did. Sound familiar? That's lifestyle creep in action. Humans get used to good things fast. That new car smell? It fades. That raise feels amazing at first, but soon it's just normal. Your brain constantly resets what enough means, so you end up chasing the next thing that feels like progress. The fix? Practice financial gratitude. Take time every month to notice how far you've come, the debts you've paid off, the comfort you already have. Gratitude keeps your brain from resetting your happiness baseline too quickly, even if you're doing well. Someone else always seems to be doing better. A friend buys a house. Someone on social media drives a nicer car. Comparison tricks your mind into feeling poor, even when you're doing fine. Here's the fix. Focus on your own progress, not other people's highlights. Compare your finances to where you were 1 or 2 years ago, not to someone else's Instagram feed. That's the only comparison that matters. If you don't have a direction for your money, it disappears without you noticing. Many people earn well, but still feel broke because their money isn't connected to goals. Try this. Decide on one short-term goal, like saving $1,000 for emergencies, one medium-term goal, like paying off a credit card, and one long-term goal, like investing for your future. When every dollar has a purpose, you start feeling in control. And that's when money finally feels meaningful. So, to sum it up, you never feel rich because your lifestyle grows faster than your gratitude. Your comparisons steal your joy, and your money lacks direction. But the good news is, awareness changes everything. Once you start managing these 3 habits, you'll realize that feeling rich isn't about earning more. It's about using what you have wisely and intentionally. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance tips, and share this video with a friend who's chasing a bigger paycheck but still feels broke. Remember, real wealth starts with mindset, not money.